Tyler, and welcome to the Live Free or Die Experience. This is the first episode. Today we're going to be going over to my buddy Nick's house and helping put the rear bumper tire carrier combo on his Jeep. Let's go do it. So the big main reason why I'm going over to Nick's house is he needed some ankle grinding bits. He ran out, broke the last one he had. I had a few extra, so I'm heading over there now to go give those to him. See if I can lend a helping hand. However, you know, those rear bumpers are kind of heavy, so it's always nice to have an extra hand. And we have arrived at Nick's house. Hey, I'm here with Nick.
What's up?
All right, cool. Go. How far did you get?
Still need to cut that set off.
All right, cool.
Some idiot welded them on.
You guys getting into trouble? Getting into trouble? Oh my. Yes. Well, we're gonna get to work. I'm gonna set this up to hyperlapse and we'll see how we do. Yeah! We officially got the old bumper off. Now we're going to try to use our two big dumb heads to figure out how to put the new one on.
Yep.
So fun. So fun.
I think I gotta undo those welds on the bottom. See what's putting that angle.
Yeah.
I was hoping I wouldn't have to deal with those. So much
A little more welding to do.
welding to undo.
Welding? Grinding. What's wrong? You tired of holding that?
Impact. And tell me which way to shift. Let's see what's going on now.
A little bit. Okay.
Huh?
I like the glove.
I thought it was opening down there. My bad. I got way more room.
All right, got it on. Now to do the rest of it. We got the first part of the bumper on. We ran into a few snags along the way. some welding issues. Grinding, I should say, not welding. It's the second time I've done that. And some very tight spaces, so we're gonna get some specialized tools to reach those areas we can't reach to with our regular tools. All right. Day 2 later. All right, we're back at Nick's house for day 2. Nick, why don't you tell everybody what you did after I left yesterday?
Tighten some bolts.
He managed to get through the tight crevices that we weren't able to yesterday. So we're gonna get back to work and see what we can do. All right, we are now gonna finally put the tire carrier piece on. Thing of beauty. All right, cool. We got it swinging. Just a few more final touches, and then Nick, your tire carrier is done. Man. I finally add the last touch. Boom. Gorgeous, dude. Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Aha!
How do you feel?
Great.
She's done. It's got one more bolt to latch down at the end here, and we're all set. I don't know, brother. How do you feel about your tire carrier now?
Pretty good.
All right, man. It looks good.
That's the Smitty built XRC series tire carrier bumper. I got the Smitty built front stinner. We did a Rubicon Express 4.5-inch extreme duty lift. All in all, ride's pretty nice. I also had we had it switch to a like a fuel injection type thing. It's EFI. Spent some money there, did all new brake lines, all that fun jazz.
The biggest question is she fun off-road?
Well, yeah, of course. Anything's fun off-road, whether it's a hunk of junk. Not that this isn't a hunk of junk.
All right. Thanks for tuning in to Live Free or Die Experience. This was our first episode. Thank you so much for coming by and watching our first episode in the series. We plan to do a lot more things like this in the future. Primarily, we're going to do Jeep building, off-road adventures, camping, hiking. Nick is super into shooting. I am too. So we're going to make all sorts of content related to all those types of things. So if you're into that, stick around. We've got a lot more to show you. As for now, thanks for coming by, and live free or die.